Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Mike DeArmond, and I'm a consultant with ProVal Technologies. Today, we're going to talk about advanced mixing and matching. Kaseya has a lot of great tools, for example, monitor sets that allow me to monitor drive space. And if I were to assign this monitor set when I got below 10% free drive space, it would create an alarm, send me an email, or even create a ticket. This is good. This allows me to monitor drive space. And then here in agent procedures, this is what allows me to do things. Like, for example, I could run an agent procedure to do a disk cleanup and free up some drive space. And so everybody's really aware of how we can have a monitor set kick off an agent procedure. For example, the most famous one that Kaseya uses all the time is we monitor for drive space, and if we find a problem with the drive space monitor set, we kick off an agent procedure that runs a disk cleanup. Well, this is really nice, and it definitely is light years ahead from where we used to be in a break-fix model, but it leaves some problems, and that's what we're going to address today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do the same thing, but I'm going to do it in a slightly different order. So I'm going to have my monitor set I am going to assign this monitor set to a machine I just created it. It's going to be way down here at the bottom. Actually, let's do a search. That'll narrow it down. And then when this alerts, I'm going to have it kick off this agent procedure. So far, it's really pretty standard, right? So what's different? Yeah, okay, Mike, that's what Kaseya taught me. You monitor for low drive space. When you find a drive space problem, you kick off an agent procedure that then fixes that problem. Well, let's take a look at this agent procedure I have created, because this really takes it to the next level. So that's over here. So what I'm doing is I am starting this script out by calling the CCleaner script. So when there's a drive space problem, this script executes. The first thing it does is clean up the disk space. Hey, once again, really familiar. Why are you doing this in such a weird way, Mike? What's the benefit? This is where the benefit comes in. After the disk space procedure has executed, I will then run a shell command to get the drive space on that machine's drive and output that into a text file. Then I will create a variable that is equal to the text file that has the current drive space in that machine. And then I use a little bit of script logic. I check the variable to see if it has less than 5 gigabytes of space, or whatever magic number we're looking for here. If it does have less than the magic number that we're looking for, I have it send off an email that will create a ticket for me. And now at this point, if this creates a ticket, not only do I know that that machine has low drive space, that we've already done all of the easy stuff. We've cleaned out the temp files. We've deleted the cookies, all that kind of good stuff. That's what I did in that CCleaner script, all right? So when I have this ticket, when this ticket pops up in my queue, I know that all the easy stuff has been done, and what I need to do is go through and find large files or problems that cannot be automatically fixed. And of course, if I don't have below my minimum threshold of space, I will simply write a procedure log entry. Hey, drive space is not below minimum threshold. After cleanup, we're good. We don't need to do anything. And that is how I can mix and match different Kaseya tools to get advanced results. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time today. Once again, my name is Mike DeArmond with ProVal Technologies. Have a great day.